Good afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. Today we're taking a look at the all-new 2025 Sea Ray 190 SPX. I'm going to take you around the interior of this boat and show you all the great features that it has to offer. Come along. Back here at your swim platform area, as you can see, this portion of the boat is lined with sea deck. This is a great non-slip surface that absorbs the water and keeps this from being a slipping hazard while you're coming in and out of the boat. You can also see this boat has a very extensive sun pad area. This is great for lounging or tanning while you're tied up out on the water. And right here on the back, this boat is equipped with a bimini that's going to cover the cockpit portion of your boat and give you some shade. Making our way into the boat, this boat is equipped with Fusion audio, which is a great sound system, going to give you really good clarity while you guys are out on the water. Plenty of seating back here. In your aft section, it's going to be forward-facing seating. And up here at the helm, you do have a captain's chair and a co-captain's chair. This seat is reversible, so you can have this rear-facing. Up here at the helm, you do have an 8-inch Simrad that's going to have all your navigational features. And making your way up to the bow section, this is a great wraparound seating area. Plenty of seats, comes equipped with grab rails, as well as more speakers. So if you like this 190 SPX or any other boat you see in our online inventory, stop by Grand Lake MarineMax today. Thanks.